Hi, so today down on site the electricians were there and they did the basic wiring that was required for some new lighting and for some new power points. We're putting everything back in the same position, so there's no need for anything too complicated, but it still all has to be done. At the same time, the electricians check the power board to make sure that the main switchboard has got all the correct RCD protection. That's residual current device protection, which is now mandatory for anything that's been worked on electrically. So we need to make sure that the circuits that affect the room that we're working in are all correct and are all protected properly. Without current RCD protection on your switchboard, you run the risk of electrocution, and it's something that you really need to be very aware of. So that's all done. That took place this morning and it was completed. It doesn't take very long. It's only a very brief thing for the electricians to do when it's fairly straightforward. This afternoon we've got our renderer in. Because we're working in a blockwork bathroom, or a bathroom that the house has been constructed of blockwork, in most cases those houses have got render on the walls, and when you take the tiles off, the render comes away as well, but it tends to come away a bit patchy. So when that happens, the patchiness can also lead to drumminess, which is a hollow sound behind behind the actual render. So between the render and the blockwork, air gets in behind there and it causes drumminess. If you try to tile over the top of that, you run the risk of that render coming away, and then of course the tiles will come away. So we've got someone down there today checking for all the drumminess of the existing render, removing any drummy render, and then applying all new render to the surfaces. So as you can see, it's fairly extensive amount of work that goes into a bathroom renovation, and at this stage that's where we're up to. That noise you can hear in the background is my husband working on tools. So anyway, I'll be back tomorrow with a bit more information. We're almost at waterproofing stage, and I'll see you then, and I'll post some photos to give you a bit of an idea how the room is looking now with the new pipework, the new electrical positioning, everything ready to go. So we're now getting very close to the part where the bathroom actually starts to look like a bathroom again. Exciting times.